G'day, I'm Clive, and today I'm going to show you the DD Hammocks Magic Carpet. So let's get it out and show you a couple of ways of using this. The DD Magic Carpet is waterproof. Looking at it, I think it's just like a miniature tarp, so it can be used in that way too. Yep, we have 4 tie-up points, 1 on each corner. DD's usual reinforcement and good clean stitching. Good tight straps. So let's show you how we can use this. Let me just get this bag off it first. First of all, we can just use it like a simple poncho. Just wrapping it around and keeping ourselves dry. Another one, we can use it as a windbreak. So I'll set that up and I'll show you. All I'm going to do is put a ridge line between these 2 trees. So here's your first, the lean-to. Just a pressing knot on each side, which means I can tension the small tarp or the magic carpet, going down to a peg in each corner. And that's giving you shelter from the wind and rain coming from this direction. Now let's show you a different setup. And here's the third option, for shade and allowing for the breeze to flow underneath. There's plenty of room in there for about 2 people to sit easy and prepare the meals. And now let's set it up in Magic Carpet mode. And there it is in carpet mode, as you can see. If you put your gear down on the ground, you're going to keep it dry. It gives you somewhere dry to sit. And if you're going to have your hammock up, it gives you somewhere to leave all your dirty stuff and keep your hammock clean on the inside. I've just used 4 pegs. You can use anything. You can use 4 sticks. You can make your own pegs. Whatever's out in the bush, or you can put a rock on each corner to hold it down. Okay, I hope that's given you an idea. I've shown you 4 choices or 4 ways you can use the DD Magic Carpet. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you. So get out there, have some fun, and take care.